I'm Mark Suhadolnik, Textile Application Specialist at Graphic Solutions Group. Been in the screen printing industry now going over 40 years. Starting out when I was around 10 years old, printing t-shirts out of my parents' garage, and just really felt a passion for what I do. I liked, creating the artwork, putting it, on a shirt, and people actually wanting them, and it gave me the incentive to really follow through with making this my career path. I owned my own screen print company for a number of years, and after selling that, I went into production management, and I've ran some very large shops around the country. And through my adventures in screen printing, I've ended up at Graphic Solutions Group, and I've been here a little over 5 years now. A typical day for me here at GSG is I do a lot of R&D, I do a lot of product testing, come up with new print techniques. I work hand in hand with our sales team as well as our customers on any issues they may have, their rise in production, whether it's making screens, printing on press, doing custom colors, custom ink mixes, or maybe a different print technique that they had seen somewhere and want to duplicate in their shop. My interest in screen printing and how it's an ever-changing industry has really driven me to make this my career and stay in it for as long as I have. I like the fact that it's always different, it's always evolving, there's new things constantly coming out. Taking that concept, that art design, making my screens, mixing the colors, putting on a t-shirt and wearing that t-shirt, and someone approaching me and saying, "Hey, where did you get that? It's a really cool shirt." And that's what really got the gears going into my head, saying, you know what, I could make a career out of this. People actually like the stuff that I'm doing, and it's become very rewarding. And now I take all that knowledge that I have and pass it along to our customers and help them grow. One of the most memorable moments that I've had working at GSG was at a trade show a few years ago, where I had a customer come up to me, and I was actually talking to a couple of my coworkers, and he said how taking my class changed his life because his business was kind of failing. He was just struggling and not getting all the right information he needed, and he took one of my classes and really got him on the right path. And he said it saved his career, it saved his business, and he thanked me for that, and that was really a great thing to hear. When I'm not at GSG, one of the things I love to do is, we're here in Texas, I love to barbecue. Take a lot of pride in it. It's a great learning experience. It makes you kind of forget your day in and day out, and similar to screen printing, it's another way to make people happy and share some things with them. My wife and I do a lot of kayaking as we live by a lake, and I do a tremendous amount of outdoor activities, from riding motocross, riding enduro dirt bikes, and it's just things that keep me in my mind occupied on something more than screen printing. If you have any issues or questions about screen printing, visit us at gogsg.com, follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.